Hey viewers, today's topic: benefits of green bananas. Green bananas are a nutritious and delicious food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. They are packed with essential vitamins and minerals, and they provide numerous health benefits. Eating green bananas can help reduce the risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. They also contain high levels of fiber, which helps to regulate digestion and keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. They contain a variety of vitamins and minerals, including potassium, magnesium, fiber, and vitamin C. Eating green bananas can provide numerous health benefits, such as improved digestion and weight loss. Additionally, green bananas are a great source of resistant starch, which is beneficial for gut health and may help to reduce the risk of certain diseases. For these reasons, green bananas should be included in your diet for their many nutritional benefits. So if you are looking for a healthy snack or meal option, green bananas may be the perfect choice. Weight loss. If you are looking to lose weight, green bananas may just be the answer. Green bananas are high in resistant starch, a type of carbohydrate that is not digested and absorbed by the body. This means that it can help you feel full for longer periods of time and reduce your hunger cravings. Additionally, green bananas contain fewer calories than ripe bananas and can help you stick to your calorie goals for weight loss. When we eat foods that are high in resistant starch, it passes through the small intestine without being fully digested. In the large intestine, the resistant starch is fermented by gut bacteria, producing short-chain fatty acids like butyrate, propionate, and acetate. These short-chain fatty acids have several health benefits, including promoting weight loss. They can help reduce appetite by increasing feelings of fullness and prolonging the time it takes for food to leave the stomach. So if you are looking to shed a few pounds, adding green bananas to your diet might be the key. Boosts immune system. Eating green bananas can be a great way to boost your immune system. Rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, green bananas are packed with nutrients that help keep your body healthy and strong. They are also a good source of magnesium, which helps support healthy immunity and metabolism. Additionally, green bananas contain prebiotics that help stimulate the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, which is essential for a strong immune system. Eating green bananas regularly can help you maintain a healthy immune system and prevent illness. The vitamin C in green bananas helps boost the immune system by promoting the production of white blood cells and neutralizing harmful free radicals in the body. Lowers blood sugar. Eating green bananas can help lower your blood sugar levels and improve your overall health. They are packed with fiber and resistant starch, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, thus helping to stabilize your blood sugar levels. Green bananas also contain a variety of vitamins and minerals that can help support a healthy lifestyle. Eating green bananas regularly as part of a balanced diet can help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of developing diabetes. Additionally, green bananas are high in fiber, which helps you feel fuller for longer and can help you avoid overeating. This can be beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes or those at risk of developing it. Supports brain health. Eating green bananas can be a great way to support your brain health. Green bananas are rich in potassium, which is a mineral that helps your body regulate the electrical activity in your brain and nervous system. Additionally, green bananas contain high levels of tryptophan, which is an essential amino acid that helps produce serotonin, the hormone responsible for regulating mood and sleep patterns. Furthermore, green bananas contain antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. All these nutrients help keep your brain functioning optimally and reduce the risk of developing neurological diseases such as Alzheimer's disease. Enhances skin health. Green bananas are often overlooked when it comes to skin health, but they have a range of benefits that can help you maintain a healthy and glowing complexion. Not only are green bananas rich in vitamins and minerals, but they also contain compounds that can help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. Additionally, green bananas contain high levels of dietary fiber, which can help keep your digestive system in check and ensure that your body is able to absorb all the nutrients it needs for optimal skin health. With regular consumption of green bananas, you'll be able to enjoy healthier and more radiant-looking skin.